Behind the house, there's a 2-car attached garage with a 1-bedroom apartment over top. The garage can be securely closed off to whomever might want to be in the upstairs. It is rentable. There are restrictions. On the main floor, this is the entry to the garage. They're in the process of moving, so there's a lot of stuff in here. It's heated and insulated. The hot water heater is in that closet. In this closet is a full-size washer and dryer. Upstairs, nice maple treads. We come to the open floor plan. Living room and kitchen with a dining counter and a work desk for 2. Up here you feel like you're in a tree house. This apartment's going to come fully furnished. It's got heat and air conditioning. Walk-in closet. Kitchen has a dishwasher, microwave, oven range, refrigerator, and a bathroom with a shower.